What's up, everybody? It's Ryan. It's a beautiful day here in the sunny Southern California. So we're gonna go meet up with the guys. Look at her, she sparkles. Sport mode on, of course. What does that say? 90 degrees? Literally 3 days ago, these mountains were covered in snow. There's a little bit of snow over there, but not very much. But now they're not even snowy. The color of that car matches my phone case. That was pretty cool. Folks, if you need it done, the Greenery Landscape Service can do it all. They design, they build, they maintain, and most of all, they can save you water. Ooh, we got a car accident right here. Look at that. Wow. Dang. Well, continuing on. This lady walking up the side of the on-ramp. Don't know why she's doing that, but okay. It's cool. Nice hat. Okay, so we are officially lost. I have no clue where we're going. So I found Blaine Street, but turns out these guys were going there too. But it doesn't look like he's here. Never mind. Update. I can hear Blaine blasting his subs in here. But dirty, so we're gonna go wash them. I think we're gonna head out to a car meet tonight, somewhere in OC probably. We got Ryan in the stock Civic. Baby. What's it like in the Civic life, the stock Civic life?
CVT, baby.
CVT? Okay, okay. Dang, Blaine's like that tomater awesome reverse person. Crazy reverser.
Weezy out of here. Weezy out of here.
Worth a couple $100 million, no thousand. This wanna me, but I charge by the hour. My neck and my wrist in the shower. Like how the you growing up and baby say you childish. I just bought my young, go watching now she wildin', styling.
Ryan goes, he goes.
Honking battle?
Did you do that?
Finally, gonna get those cars washed. We got Blaine's Stancy boy. Look at all that dirt. Look how dirty those rims are. Damn. All right, so we're finishing up cleaning the cars right now. Blaine's cleaning his whip. Isaiah's so kindly cleaning mine. Ryan's cleaning the stock Civic, of course. And we're about to head out. All right, guys, we got 6 miles till empty. Don't know if we're gonna make it because that's not very many miles. 6 miles. We'll see. All right, guys, we made it to Costco Gasoline. One of the greatest gasoline places on earth. We got 5 miles. We barely made it. But look at the line. The line is just ridiculous. Guys, we got the Toyota Sienna! It's got the blacked out rims and everything. Dude, this one's clean. This may be the cleanest one that we've ever seen.
You see those Porsches though? Look at those. Those are fucking beautiful. Oh god. Yeah. There was sitting right on them tail, right next to that one.
Just snowed her straight up right there.
You don't?
We got the front fender delete.
Bro, look at, hey, hold on. Think about this though. It's so easy to access this.
Oh yeah.
Think about the aerodynamics, because look, it channels in the air.
That's true. Good point.
Air conditioning. On point.
Are you upset that you didn't bring your Lambo or what?
A little bit.
A little bit? It is what it is though, right?
Though, yeah. We got Saturday. Come on, you blowing him over there or what? Let's get it over. Let's go to Carl's Jr.
Let's go to Carl's Jr. You vlogging for now?
I'm vlogging.
Sick.
Sausage party in here, guys.
Oh yeah, brother.
What's the vlog?
What's up, vlog?
4 million subscribers. Dude, just because he drives a GTI doesn't mean
I drive a piece of shit GTI. Smoke show over here. Guys in the back are f***ing burning the food. They're gonna spit in our shit now, so. I take the vlog to go take a. But that's not.
Make sure
COVID, huh? Tell us you're from California without telling us you're from California.
I haven't been really impressed so far.
Bro, look at.
I haven't been really impressed so far.
Just alright.
I haven't been really impressed so far. I haven't been really impressed so far.
literally every single car here.
What about we sell on the road? Just rolled up to the meet. It's looking clean. Not too many mods, but still clean.
Bub, I don't even know he's driving.
Alright guys, so the meet is pretty crazy. Everyone's heading out right now, so pretty crazy accelerations. All the Lambos like that. There's a Porsche right here. Pretty insane. They all dipped out. Don't know where they're going, but it's pretty sick. There were some sick cars here. This meet turned out really good. It was way better than we expected. We definitely didn't think that there was gonna be this many people. We thought it was just gonna be a small meet, but freaking sick. So yeah, cool. The smell of that car is absolutely insane. It smells like straight race gas, straight out of the thing. Cops are here, of course, coming to ruin the meet. Probably got too many complaints of all the people burning out. The cops shut it all down, so we have to head out. We got Tyler, co-pilot. So
I hit the shit at like 60, dude. And I started sliding. Started sliding.
Blaine, how fast were we going on the way here?
Like
Sick.
I was going like 42.
42. Yeah.
I wasn't going that fast.
Dude, my car still looks clean. Look at the front wheels. Look at the brakes. Brake dust all over my bed. Oh yeah, look at this.
Oh yeah, you were shredding those things.
Look at mine, dude.
You're
Mine
bad?
for sure. Because mine are black right here.
Not too bad. Don't see too much.
Dude, look at this right here though.
Your shit's hot. What?
I was right on your.
Dang.
CVT life, baby.
Yeah. All right, guys. We just got back to the house. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, make sure you like and subscribe. Maybe even share it. Whatever. Anyways, we'll see you in next video next time. Later.